Hey everyone, so I just got my order of Rosemary&Co brushes and these are limited edition. So that's why I wanted to pop in here real quick and let you know about them. This one is pure sable and it's a detail brush basically on a triangular handle, and I really love these because they're so ergonomic and so easy on the hands for painting for a long period of time. And I know that because I have this one and it's really great. Now these two are both travel brushes. This one here with the black colored bristles are, this one is pure squirrel, and then this one is either pure sable or mixed sable, I can't quite remember. I'll leave the links down below in the description. And both of these are travel brushes, but they don't have any labels on them on this part as well as this part like their other brushes. These are like their other brushes. So I just thought I'd let you know in case you want to know that. All right, that's it.